Hi, Aldwyn Alternate here, also known as the Media Queen, based on the Gold Coast. I have just had an awesome 3 days with Stuart, Zadel and team and about 270 or so other people at the Success Accelerator, and wow, what an amazing program. I've attended quite a few of Stuart's programs over the last 10 years, so you could say that I'm a bit of an avid learner and absolutely love the heart and soul that comes through with Stuart and with the team as well. It's just an amazing environment, and I think the people that also attend the event are phenomenal and really fantastic group to hang around. Your environment is really important, and I think hanging around with Stuart's team and at any of Stuart's events, you're going to be surrounding yourself with people that really are in the, I would say, the top 5% of people out there as far as, you know, they're positive, they're wanting to do great things for their lives, they play above the line, and I think the Success Accelerator definitely takes people to a whole other level, and I've seen such transformation here in the last 3 days with myself as well as others. I mean, I'm constantly learning and growing. I have an absolute sponge for knowledge and love the work that these guys do. I've really followed the journey now over about 10 years, and it's been great to watch the transformation of the Zadel group as well, and just, you know, the heart and soul of Stuart. I don't know how he does it really, but he's a phenomenal guy, and obviously very dedicated, and has had, you know, laser vision focus, I would say, over the last 10 years to get him to this point. And it's just been so great to watch the way that the whole group has gone, and it's been fantastic to be part of it. So really, for myself, I have just learnt so much over these 3 days. I've learned a lot about mindset, a lot about teamwork, leadership. I've had some new insights into how I do life. As they say, you never learn less. And I've had some great insights also about health, and I'm actually a massive animal activist. I started the world's first Animal Action Day, and some of the learnings that I've had here about animals and about health and energy have been phenomenal as well. And I'm actually going to be instigating now some changes into my life. In fact, I already have, from the learnings that I've got around health in this course. So that has really been fantastic, and new information I haven't heard before either. And I also love how Stuart is a truth seeker and a truth speaker, and I think we need more of them out there, and particularly in the media and at events like this. I think we need to raise people's awareness of what is really going on in the world, and also right in their own neighbourhood, and inspire people to be the best versions of themselves that they can be, and to be aware so that they can make informed choices when it comes to health, their finances, and how they do life in general. So I think if you're around a Stuart Zadel event, you're doing a great thing, and if you haven't been to one, make sure you get to one, because they're absolutely awesome, and I love them, and so I keep coming back. Fantastic. So thanks so much, Stuart, and all the team. You've been fantastic. Unbelievable crew as well, about 30 crew here at this event, and everyone has just had the best attitude, and just been phenomenal as well to work with and to see every day. So thanks to you guys, and also all the other people at the event have been phenomenal as well. So I just love the vibrations, the good vibrations of everyone in the room. It's been awesome.